The new Ari Nebo Peak rips, but after starting the ride with only 60% battery, I wasn't sure it'd make it. Here's what happened when I rode every trail at Eagle Bike Park. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy. Okay, so we've got the ride started in the app, and we've got our Strava going. So we're gonna try to see if we can get every trail in an hour. A little power hour here at Eagle Bike Park. Running on 67%. Not intentional. I'm kind of not used to the e-bike. Totally forgot to charge it and just left it on my tailgate pad. Just gonna go from Soilers over and then kind of go through everything. Soilers is actually running so good right now. What the heck? These corners are typically really bad. Little skip there. All right, we're right back up to the top. Gonna go into weekend at Bermys now. Oh, that corner's good. Oh, I love that shark fin. Sweet. Okay, feeling lucky now. Just gonna go in boosting. Oh, that lip saw. Ooh, that was rowdy. All right, Rut Track. Here we go. Whew. Tight right there. Oh yeah, so good. Do these jumps real quick. Go up, let's do probably Sage next. It'll set us up right for this hill climb again, and we'll go right into Void. Dropping into Sage. The e-bike overclears Cardi so bad, so carries so much more speed. had to go kind of slow, but could have gone a bit faster and boosted it more. Here we go. Void. These corners are so good. Oh, so good. Sweet. Okay, let's go over to 7 Sims. I think I need a little bit more air in my rear shock. Just noticed that it was getting really deep in the compression on those steep lips, but other than that, it seems to be pretty good, so we'll give it a fix. All right, we're making the boosted traverse over to Hail Mary, and then we'll do concrete trail and dual slalom, and then we'll make our way up to the top, hit all those trails. Okay, dropping into Hail Mary now. Spent a lot of time on this trail this year. So good to be on the e-bike. Oh, that's sick. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's pump up the rear shock. So the shock is brand new, and so what I'm thinking is that after yesterday's ride, kind of lost a bit of air just from all the hard compressions on a fresh shock. So not too big of a deal. Pumped it up a little more than normal because we're at Eagle, so I don't need super soft suspension. Now all we've got left for this bottom section here is just dual slalom and concrete trail, and we're already off to the top, and I think that's pretty much all the trails here. So let's take a look at the Strava, see the riding time. I have not actually stopped at any of the trailheads. I've just gone up, started pedaling into it. So honestly, this power hour was going by pretty quick and pretty hyped. Okay, we're gonna go into roll. This is the easier side. Because everything's rollable. Back corner's gripping right now. Sweet, dude. Now we're on the huck. These corners are even better. Oh my gosh, it's like, I don't even know how to describe these corners, they're so good. we're in the second boost mode. So that way I can actually do this concrete trail without feeling like I'm burning myself out on all the stupid rock pedaling there is. Trying to take the sort of easier lines through all this. Perfect. Now I can get out of here, because I'm not a big fan of the concrete trail, especially when I've only got a half shell on. This is sort of my version of a power hour. I think I'm gonna call it a bruising of the bike park, because I'm only doing the blacks and the blues, and then here and there I'm doing a couple of the green hike climbing trails, but not all of those, so we'll call it a bruised power hour. Okay, we're up here at the top. Just gonna drop straight in Stormin Mormon. This one's pretty good. Did it yesterday and was having a lot of fun on it. Oh my gosh, I almost just ate it. I went into the second boost. Oh, whoops. Okay. Sweet. Okay, this is the one where it's like, there we go. Oh, tried to hip that out as much as possible. Sweet. That's pretty much the end of the trail, except for this last jump. Sweet. All right, we're in full boost. We got the steepest hill in the park straight up ahead of us. Let's see how easy this climbs. So let's see if this boost can just make it effortless. So far, effortless. Not putting any real power into it, and it's kind of just getting me up the climb. I say e-bikes are best for repetition. You can get way more laps in, and it's still such a workout on the downhill. It says here only 34 minutes. That's feeling pretty accurate since last time it was just coming up on 9:30. So we're looking pretty accurate here. You can see though that I'm skipping all these climbing trails, and that's because, well, I don't want to do the climbing trail, so I'm kind of just skipping over to the same climbs that are easiest. Okay, drop it into flow. I think we're gonna go brakeless. Let's do it. Ah, that corner always scares me. Love a good nose bonk on that jump. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Dang. Dude, this thing jumps. Almost had it. bushes there on that one. Alright, that was a fun lap. On to the final trail of the day. One that I already did, but GoPro decided to be all silly and not record it, so not too hyped on that. Been a pretty good ride. Absolutely loving the bike. Battery's held up. Whew, okay, had to make sure that the GoPro actually started this time. Now we're gonna go into shake and bake. We're gonna do a hot lap. We're in kind of a boost mode. I'm not really going for a PR because I don't want my PR to be on the e-bike, but I'm expecting a pretty fast run. Oh. Oh yeah, that gets your legs moving. Woo. Feels easy enough to where you're not having to give your full power, but you're still reaching that full speed. So you can do way more reps on the same trail and go the same speed as your fastest pace, but you don't have to give it your full effort. And so you really get to dial in the technique on some of those rock sections. And you know, if you're jumping, you can get as much repetition on the same jump as you want without having to put in as much effort, and you just get way more practice. So e-bikes are definitely here to stay in the Nebo Peak. I think this one takes the cake. And granted, I've got all the parts on here that I want, so those all have to get some recognition too. So quickly, I'm gonna go over all the parts I have on here. So we got the Fazua motor, which comes with the Nebo. You see the Ari Nebo Peak frame. We've got full DD cockpit and DD seat. Loving the bronze. TRP EVO Pros. These are the newest brakes. They have some cool adjustability for engagement points, so you can make the brakes engage faster or slower. Also have the TRP EVO Drivetrain. We've got Schwalbe Tacky Chan in the front, ultra soft, and then Schwalbe Albert Trail in the rear. That's the new radial tire. I'm absolutely loving that so much. And then of course we've got the suspension. We've got SR Suntour Auron in the front and the SR Suntour TriAir 2 in the rear. The best suspension I've ever ridden. I absolutely love SR Suntour so much. They've given me so much support and they've just been super great on all my bikes. Got the Crank Brothers DH clipless pedals, the Crank Brothers Synthesis e-bike wheels with the Tannis Fusion, and the Crank Brothers dropper as well. And that's the new build. Absolutely loving it. Highly recommend it if you're looking to get an e-bike. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna hit a quick mulch real quick, and then we're gonna head out. Whoa, that was sketchy. Thank you guys for watching. So fun making these videos. Hope you guys enjoy them, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.